Hi guys, it's Miss Multiply. We're going to go ahead and add using a number line. Okay, let's get started. We're going to add, let's go ahead and add 562 plus 134. Okay, we are going to start with the biggest number on the number line, which is 562. Since I wrote it on my number line, I'm going to cross it on my equation, cross it out. And then we're going to focus on 134. The first thing I need you to do is label place value. So the 4 is in the ones place, the 3 is in the tens, and the 1 is in the hundreds place. We are going to start with the hundreds place. We're going to do one big 100 jump plus 100. And then we're going to underline the hundreds place in 562. Since the 5 is in the 100s place, we're going to underline that. So 562 plus 100 more is 662. If you notice, only the hundreds place changed. I'm going to check it off because we already added 100 on our number line. The next thing we are going to add is 3 tens. So plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. If you notice, my tens jump is a little bit smaller than the hundreds because 10 is smaller than 100. So I'm going to go ahead and underline the tens place. So 662 plus 10 more is 672. 672 plus 10 more is 682. If you notice, only the tens place is changing right now. 682 plus 10 more is 692. So since we added our 3 tens, we're going to go back to our number we are adding and check off the tens place. Now we need to add our 4 ones. Since our ones is our smallest place value, our jumps are going to be a little bit smaller. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So 692 plus 1 more is 693. Plus 1 more is 694. 695. 696 is our answer. And since we added our ones, we're going to go back to our number and check it off. So 562 plus 134 equals 696. Let's go ahead and do one more. We're going to add 631 plus 208. 631 plus 208. We're going to write the biggest number first on our number line, which is 631. Since we wrote it on the number line, we are going to cross it out. Then we are going to focus on the other number, and we're going to label our place value. Ones, tens, hundreds. So let's go ahead and start with the hundreds jump, which is going to be the biggest jump because the hundreds place value is the biggest out of the tens and ones. So let's go ahead and do plus 100, plus 100. Let's go ahead and underline the hundreds place, which is the 6. 631 plus 100 more is 731. And we're going to underline the hundreds place because we're adding 100 more. So 731 plus 100 more is 831. Since we added the 200 jumps, we are going to check off the hundreds. Now let's go ahead and look in the tens. Since there was a 0 in the tens place, that means we don't need to add any tens. So go ahead and check that off. Now we're going to focus in the ones place. Since there's 8 ones, we're going to do 8 little one jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I put a dot there because that's where our answer is going to be. So 831. Let's go ahead and add our plus ones in each one. 831 plus one more is 832, 833, 834, 835, 836, 837, 838, 839. And we can double check our answer using the up and down equation. 631 plus 208. As you can see, I left finger spaces. They're nice and neat, and each number is on top of each other for the correct place value. So 1 plus 8 more is 9. 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 2 more is 8. So our answer is 839. And our answer on our number line is 839. So now we know our number line is correct and our equation is correct. I'm going to leave one equation here for you so you can try your own number line. So 342 plus 135. You're going to try this on your own using a number line and leave your answer in the comments below.